I decided to upgrade from my FireTV stick to the Cube for a few reasons. A faster hexa-core processor versus a quad-core in the 4K Max, more RAM compared to the sticks, double the storage for your apps, and a faster GPU for any FireCube gaming that you plan on doing. It also offers 4K HDR streaming with Dolby Vision and HDR10 support. This can also act as an extra voice-activated Alexa to control your other smart home devices. It also has an IR blaster, so you can connect and control your entire entertainment system with just voice commands, rather than relying on your TV having HDMI CEC to be able to control the TV. If you store it in a cupboard, you will need to buy the IR extender cord though, as it's not included. An HDMI out as well as an in to connect a cable box or a gaming console. An Ethernet port is available, but personally I do not use it as it's capped at 100 megs. But if you don't have a strong Wi-Fi connection, could be worthwhile. I enjoy being able to connect a flash drive for some of my media, and unlike older iterations, it also supports NTFS format on top of FAT32. It's all bundled into a cute little box that fits easy anywhere on my shelf.